Do you really think that you've figured out air travel? Well, think again. Because airlines just keep evolving every day, and not in your favor. If you ask me, I think they want to suck every penny out of our pockets in any way they can. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. No, but in all seriousness, 2025 has been a year of so many travel changes that I can't even keep up. And let's talk about airports. They are smoother on the surface but sneakier behind the scenes. Today, I'm revealing 7 airport secrets that airlines do not want you to know, the stuff they'll never put in writing. And yes, you guessed it. The airlines and airports are in cahoots against us. Well, that is my humble opinion. But I went about looking for ways to outsmart them, and I'm going to show you how you can save time, stress, and even put money back in your pocket. Make sure you watch until the end, because secret number 7 might just land you in first class. For free. Now that my little rant is finished, let's move on to the juicy stuff. Okay, let's say your flight is boarding in 30 minutes. Everyone's hunched over their phones, oblivious to what's going on at the gate. Well, that's your cue. Stand near the counter as closely as possible, but make it look casual. Don't bring any attention to yourself. Want to know why? Because when passengers don't show up, gate agents start reshuffling seats. Ever noticed how busy they are once the plane arrives at the gate and it's time to get ready to board? Well, that's what they are doing, so why not take advantage of it? Airlines often hold better seats, exit rows, aisle seats, for late changes, crew members, or elite members who never show. This is the action plan for you. Be early, be friendly, and say something like, "Hello there. If any aisle or extra legroom seats open up, I'd be happy to switch. Just let me know." Yes, be polite, helpful, non-needy, no pressure, no aggressive behavior. It works more than you think. And here is a pro tip. This works best on fully booked flights, early morning flights, or when you notice last-minute gate changes. Now this one's controversial, but genius if you use it smartly. Imagine booking a flight from New York to Berlin, but your real destination is Madrid, which is a layover. That's called hidden city ticketing. You exit at the layover city, which is your real destination anyway because the fare is cheaper than flying direct. The problem, though, is airlines tag your bag all the way to the final city. But here's the secret. Ask for a short check. Say something like, "I have medication I need at my layover stop. Can I collect my bag in Madrid?" It won't always work, but some agents will tag your bag to the layover city, no questions asked. Warning, only use this on one-way tickets. If you skip the final leg on a round trip, your return flight is automatically canceled. Think like a travel ninja. Want the quietest seat on the plane? Forget the front seat. And never pick the row next to a lavatory. Here's where the piece is, the crew rest zones. These are small curtained-off areas where flight attendants sleep or take breaks, and they're usually surrounded by low traffic and dimly lit rows. What does that mean for you? No screaming babies, no chatty passengers, less foot traffic. And flight attendants are close by in case you need anything. Find these seats on SeatGuru.com by entering your flight number. Look for gray or restricted sections, then sit just outside those. It's the traveler's version of a noise-canceling zone. Here's a cheeky one. In many international airports, especially in Asia and Europe, lounges are open plan and don't have strict boarding pass checks for bathrooms. Some are connected to shared cafes or retail areas. Translation? You can walk in confidently, head straight to the restrooms, and walk out. No one stops you. Why do this, you may be thinking? Well, there are super clean facilities and no lines. You get access to private stalls and fresh amenities. Just don't hang around. Use the facilities, maybe freshen up, and exit cool as a cucumber. And now you've survived a layover feeling actually refreshed for your next stop. Here's a hydration hack airlines will never advertise. Of course, we know that you can't bring bottled water through airport security. But what they don't ban is electrolyte or hydration powder. Here's what you do. Bring a collapsible water bottle. After security, head to any airport cafe. Ask for hot or cold water. They will usually give it to you for free. Drop in a hydration packet like LMNT or Liquid Ivory. And boom. You've bypassed overpriced bottled water and boosted your hydration before a long-haul flight. Here is a bonus tip. Staying hydrated helps fight jet lag and cuts your recovery time in half. Codeshare flights are where things get murky, and that's where you win. Let's say you book a flight through American Airlines, but it's operated by Finnair. Who decides your lounge access? Well, it's the operating airline. So even if American Airlines says no access, Finnair might say come on in. Especially if you have a credit card or frequent flyer status linked to that specific partner airline. Here's a pro tip for you. Keep apps like Lounge Buddy or Award Wallet handy on your phone to check access rules by operating carrier, and not just the airline you booked with. This secret is subtle, but powerful. You probably never thought of it yourself. Now, I am letting the cat out of the bag. Here goes. Gate agents often give upgrades or prime seats based on perception. If someone gets bumped from a flight, or an elite member doesn't show up on the day of the flight, the gate agents are thinking, who looks like they belong in row 1? So here's what you do. Dress like a business traveler, blazer, dark jeans, smart shoes, arrive early. Be calm, professional, and polite at check-in and the gate. Offer to change seats if needed. They'll tag you as helpful and prepared. And when there's one upgrade left, guess who gets picked? Here is one more tip you should consider. Combine this with secret number 1 at the gate for double the chance. Okay, you've made it this far, so here's one last secret that almost no one talks about, and this is your extra bonus tip for the day. Did you know there's a way to score an entire empty row, and it has nothing to do with upgrades or elite status? When booking, try choosing a window seat in a row where the aisle seat is already taken but the middle is empty. Most travelers avoid middle seats like the plague, and if no one grabs it, you just scored a quiet zone to stretch out in. You can even double-check again during online check-in and switch if another opportunity pops up. It's a small move that can mean big comfort on a long flight. See? Travel is full of secrets most people never hear, unless they've got someone who cares and are looking out for them. And that's what this channel is all about. So now you know the truth. Airports and airlines aren't built for your comfort. They're built for control and profit. I am sure you realize that by now. But when you know the secrets, trust me, you're in control. Use these 7 secrets to skip lines, claim better seats, stay refreshed, and outsmart a system built to frustrate you. If this video helped you in any way, imagine what my full digital travel bundle can do. A 250-page ebook with 55 real travel situations and how to solve them. 16-module audiobook covering international trip planning. 5 travel video guides with 2025 travel rules. 5 beautifully crafted 7-day itineraries for France, Dubai, Thailand, Japan, and the UK. The link for all of this is in the description. And yes, it's all instant access, ready to download. Please don't forget to subscribe for more real travel intel from someone who's tested every single hack. And until next time, I'm Cheryl, your channel host, saying bye for now. This has been your personal boarding pass to smarter travel. And I hope you had a smooth ride on this trip. Safe travels!